Hey guys, Benjamin Game Out 6 here and welcome back to my channel, and this is the second video today on this new game that I've got called Just Cause 4. And yeah, if you haven't checked out the first video, I would highly recommend you checking it out after this video. Oh hey dude. Oh, this weapon is so OP. Nice. I almost shot someone innocent. Oh wait, I'm gonna take one of their bikes. And I'm gonna get out of here. Oh. Looks like I'm gonna have to go off-road. There's no way they can follow me in here. They are! With the bikes as well. Dude! They won't know that I'm up here. Unless I fall down. Because I don't want to deal with more fighting in a bit. Oh no, I hit a tree! Hello? Oh, that was epic! I need to get out of here because I almost died. No, get up, get up. Rico, get up. Come on, get up. Nice. And then I'm gonna stay up here until they lose me. Well, that was long. Oh, I probably see why they were there then. If they have a base here. Yeah. And it's not only fighting that has gone on here, I mean, there was some extreme weather as well. Hey dude. Oh no. I mean, as long as I don't know that I'm on the other team, I'm just gonna run here, you know? Oh no. And look now. This is one way to take a car. Oh, I need to be paying attention. Ooh. Oh, oh yes, I just made it. I've done something funny to the bridge before. Do you guys know what that is? This. No, and then I fell into the water. No. It wasn't exactly that. But it's like destroying the bridge. You see these. I mean, you can see how bits are flying off. So this is something you can do with a bridge. Or the bridges. Dude! What the heck? I mean, look at this. Doesn't this bridge just look destroyed? Whoa! Bits are still flying off. Whoa. Yeah, you don't. You're not escaping if you're going here. Okay, I don't know what just happened around me, but something clearly happened. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! No! How did I even do that? Rico. He just backed off into me! Excuse me, that's not okay. Why did someone just leave a gun on the floor? Oh wait, it was those helicopters, wasn't it? Wasn't it the helicopters? I have a feeling about that it was the helicopters. Oh, this car also has a boost. So, whoa, he tried to go for me then. So, wait, yeah, I think. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys something, so I might have to go for a third video, but I hope that's okay with you guys. And I just realized that I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Boom! Why did that person jump out of the car? That is not so smart when your car is flipping. And something there just exploded. Sorry. And something is going on here as well. Like, look at the... Okay, so this is the way. It is. Do you guys see that? That over there? That's a tornado. Yep. Tornado. And I'm gonna show you guys something cool. If you're gliding like this in the air, oh, come on, guys. Well, thank you for the boat. Okay. Oh. And it's time to go this way. I mean, isn't this a good looking game? And yeah, I don't know if game number 5 has come out yet. Because apparently there are more games that is about exactly this. I don't know if it is the same person that we're playing as, but I know there are other games where the title of that this game has, and then either 1, 2, or 3. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That's a tornado! And that's the title sorted, I guess. I mean, chasing down a tornado, it's kind of like that. I mean, when I saw this tornado in the distance, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go towards it. And that is exactly what I'm doing. So you guys are in for a treat here. There it is. The tornado. I mean, look at it. It's so huge when you're close to it. And look now. If I go to this, I was probably a little too far away. But now, away! And that's the tornado doing this. Isn't that cool? And look at the view you get. Look at the view you get just by being picked up by the tornado and be gliding around it. And if you try to skydive into it, nothing really happens. Apart from if you somehow get into it, which I've done sometimes. Oh, almost. Ouch! What just hit me? And if you try to go with this, then you're just gonna get pushed away. Oh! Oh! Wait, what? I don't know how that didn't go in. Like, it looked like I smacked my head or something right into it, and still I didn't. Go into it. Nice. I mean, if I see another tornado somewhere, I'm gonna track that one down as well. But if not, it doesn't really matter because I already tracked down one tornado on the way to that city. Nice. give me your car. Thank you. I'll bring it back later. If I don't explode it. Yeah. I have a feeling that that's what's gonna happen. Me exploding this car. Okay, so that's what happens if you... Nice! And I got that on camera as well. Nice. So yeah, don't... I didn't really mean it when I said I would bring it back in one piece, because look what just happened. I just exploded an entire gas station. Oh no! I need to stop using this boost. I mean, look how fast this car is without a boost. So then with the boost... Yeah, very fast. Oh, and I exploded yet another car. Give me a bike. Okay, so let's go up here. And now up here. Let's see if I can find the goal. I mean, I'm just gonna stay up here until they lose me. Oh. So yeah, this is the city I was talking about. Hello. How are you guys doing? And I'm going up here. And now, I mean, you guys can probably see this in front of me. If you can guess what it is, pause the video right now. And guess. And I will show you in I will show you guys very shortly. So, 3, 2, 1. A football stadium. And one thing that's cool with Rico here is that if he would want to go to a football game right here, then if he wouldn't feel like paying for a ticket, then he could just use his ability. And then just stay here and watch. I mean, isn't this cool? So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video for more of Just Cause 4. See you there. Bye.